Welcome to Block of the Month by the Quilting Company. This lesson will be about the sunflower border. This is a beautiful border. We'll be covering template shapes, set-in seams, and fusible applique techniques. First, we need to make our C triangles. To create your C triangles, cut the white fabric into 4 quadrants. Next, we create our D triangles. Grab a C and a D and sew them together and press. Next, let's work on our templates, starting with a look at the tools we'll need. Behold my template toolkit. Here I have template plastic. I prefer ungridded plastic because the grid lines can make my lines harder to see. An ultra fine point Sharpie marker. I use specific scissors to cut out template plastic. These are serrated so they grip the plastic as I'm cutting. This gives me a more accurate template. To keep my templates from moving while I'm cutting, I use double-sided tape on the back. To mark the dots on my template, I use a large T-pin. Be sure to transfer all the markings onto your template. And I like to add the name of the project and the block so that I always know where they belong. Use the T-pin to transfer the dots. Once you have your templates created, cut out the patches according to the pattern directions. Then you're ready for set-in seams. Now this is definitely going to be a tricky bit, so don't skip this part. Take your time and don't get discouraged. Here I have the A and B pieces. Be sure that you've transferred the dots from your template onto your fabric. I find it helpful to have the dot on both sides of the fabric. That dot will tell me where to stop sewing when I'm piecing these together. And now one more quick tip. We want the intersection to be accurate, but a bit flexible. Use a pin to match the dots, then secure in place with another pin. When I stitch these together, as I get close to that dot, I shorten the stitch length. This gives me a semi-secure stitch that is also very accurate. Once you've stitched and pressed your first side, then add the other A piece. Remember to shorten your stitch length and stop at the dot. And now it's time to set in our square. To make this set-in seam, we'll break things down into 2 segments. First sew here, then here. Be sure to line up the dot. It may take a bit of trial and error to get it just right. Starting at the dot, sew a few stitches with a shortened stitch length, then continue the rest of the seam with a regular stitch length. I don't recommend pressing in between sewing. I find that the pieces are easier to maneuver if they haven't already been pressed. Then line up the other side, matching the other dots. Be sure to get the rest of the block out of the way. Now is the time to press. It works best for me to press away from the center. After these pieces are finished, sew them together. Then use the set-in seam technique to add your setting triangles to complete this section. We're almost done with this block. We'll finish using Fusible Appliqué. Behold my applique toolkit. Here I have paper-backed fusible web, template plastic, a Sharpie marker, small scissors, applique iron, and of course your fabric. Accurately trace the pattern onto template plastic. While you don't have to use template plastic, I find it easier when you are making a lot of the same thing. Trace the shape onto the fusible web. Then cut out around the outside of the shape about 1/4 inch from the drawn line. Next, cut the inside about 1/4 inch from the drawn line. The extra fusible on the outside keeps your applique from fraying. Now, fuse that shape onto your fabric. For fusing, I like to use the small applique iron better because it's easier to maneuver so I can see clearly what I'm doing. Plus, it's super hot. Now cut out your applique patch on the drawn line. Remove the paper and fuse onto your block. Finally, stitch around the applique. You can use a straight stitch, a simple zigzag, or a buttonhole stitch. And there you have your block. No Weeds Here Block of the Month is brought to you by Hoffman Fabrics, made to inspire since 1924. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.